Let's look at how to use Auto-Tune EFX Plus very well right after the intro. Joe, the name is Godsa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Guys, please subscribe, join this community, and let's grow this YouTube channel together. All right, so we're going to look at how to use Auto-Tune EFX Plus very well. I mean, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about this particular Auto-Tune, and also teach you how you can use Auto-Tune EFX Plus to create unique vocals with just a click button. We're gonna use this ad lib here. All right, so I'm gonna loop it by clicking on the ad lib and pressing the P key on the keyboard like this, and we're gonna turn this activate cycle on so that it's gonna loop it. Let's listen to this ad lib first, and after that I'll introduce the Auto-Tune EFX Plus. That's pretty simple, right? So now let me introduce the Auto-Tune EFX Plus and show you how you can actually use Auto-Tune EFX Plus very well and create unique vocals. So next thing I'm gonna do is to load this on this ad lib directly. All right, so we're gonna click that first. Let me change the color. I want this to be something like red. Okay, that's pretty nice. So now we're gonna click on this once again and click on the edit channel settings. All right, next we're gonna click on the insert one and we're gonna search Auto-Tune. So we are using Auto-Tune EFX Plus, not the Auto-Tune EFX. The Auto-Tune EFX is the old version of Auto-Tune EFX Plus, so we are using the latest version, Auto-Tune EFX Plus. So we're gonna load that. So this is Auto-Tune EFX Plus. If you don't know how to use Auto-Tune, I have a lot of videos out there, but I'm gonna show you in today's video. You can use Auto-Tune EFX Plus as your Auto-Tune, and you can also use it to create unique vocals. First, let me show you something first. We all know that anytime you want to Auto-Tune, you have to pay attention to the key of your beat or vocal. So we're gonna set our key. Let's set our key, and the key of this ad lib is C minor. So I'm going to change the scale to minor, and the key is C. All right, next thing is the routine speed. The routine speed is how much you want to pitch your vocals. I mean, how much you want to feel that T-pin effect. The more you push or crank the routine speed up, the more Auto-Tune you're gonna feel. So now let's listen to this settings alone. Without Auto-Tune EFX Plus, listen to the ad libs. Alright, and with Auto-Tune EFX Plus, listen to it once again. We have pushed the routine speed all the way up. Listen. So what you need to pay attention to anytime you are using Auto-Tune is to know the artist that you are working with. If the artist is not all that good, guys, I will not advise you to push the routine speed all the way up to 0. You can make the vocal to sound natural by using routine speed of 20 or 30 routine speed. This is gonna make you sound natural. If you want to achieve natural vocals Auto-Tune, always use routine speed of 20 or 30. All right, so listen. And the more you push the routine speed all the way down like this, the less T-pin or the less Auto-Tune you're gonna feel on your vocals. Now listen to this. So if you push the retune speed all the way up, I'm gonna stick to 9, then you can also make your vocals to sound natural. You want to sound like human being actually singing, not robot. So we mostly add a little bit of humanize. All right, we want to add realism to the vocals. All right, so listen to this. So right after this, with Auto-Tune EFX Plus, guys, this is amazing. If you don't know the input type, the one to select, I mean, you are confused, you don't know whether to choose soprano, alto, tenor, low male, and so forth, all you need to do is to click on this particular learn button, and this is gonna listen to 5 seconds of audio playback, then automatically determine the input type. This feature use machine learning to help you pick an input type that best matches the vocals on your track. For best results, play back 5 seconds of audio that best represent the typical vocal range of the track. All right, so if you look here, that's everything you need to know about the learning. So this is like artificial intelligence, AI, that's gonna listen to your vocals. So all you need to do is to play the vocals for just 5 seconds, and guys, watch here, it's gonna listen and select it automatically for you. As you can see, waiting, all you need to do is to play the vocals once again. And now you can see predicting. All right, so let's keep on playing. And if you watch here, it has selected soprano. All right, that's pretty simple. Yes, if it's a female, I know you have to choose soprano. In my opinion, you have to choose soprano. So I wasn't shocked that it chose soprano for me. All right, now guys, let's move on with Auto-Tune EFX Plus, and we're gonna move to the EFX section and show you something crazy that you need to know about this Auto-Tune. Anyway, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, give this video a like if it helps you. All right, so guys, if you look at the EFX, you can see we have pitch, throat, breath, then depth. All right, you can add vocal, reverb, chorus, echo, high pass the vocals, and even EQ, even compress the vocals on the same Auto-Tune. In my opinion, every producer need this Auto-Tune if you want to speed up your music production. So if you click here, you can see now the compressor is here, then you can control the max. All right, if you don't want it, all you need to do is to click over here, then add the one that you want. You can add reverb directly on the vocals. Let's try that. And guys, listen, we have added reverb, and we're gonna control the amount. Use good headsets and monitors to know the difference. That's crazy, that's crazy. And you can go on and add anything that you want as it follows, and you can even play with the face here. All right, the reverb, then the, all right, so I'm gonna take the reverb off, then let's play with this face here. To create unique vocal, guys, all you need to do is to click over here where you can see the default, and you can browse through some of the presets from the popular music producers. All right, Antares, and you're gonna see a lot of presets from Antares over here, Bon Iver, all right, presets, a lot of them here. So guys, you can browse through any of the popular Jeff Rona presets, Jess Jackson presets, Richard Diviner. You can browse through all these presets. Now you want to create unique vocals with just a click. All you need to do is to click on this particular load a random preset icon here, and guys, let's listen to that. We're gonna play the vocals and be playing with and be clicking on this random icon here. All right, so let's do that. Guys, this is crazy. You can use this to make your trap beat. Listen to the vocals once again. This is crazy. You've heard the difference. Listen to this very well. That's crazy, guys. All you need to do is to get this Auto-Tune EFX Plus. Maybe you don't have money to invest into Auto-Tune EFX Plus. You don't have money to invest into expensive auto-tunes. Then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen to download free auto-tunes that can also take your mixing to the next level. Until then, see you in the next video. Give this video a like. Stay blessed.